Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Today is a pretty good day. I'm taking a break from working on Niva, but the engine is almost out. So today I thought I could install a new steering wheel and new mirrors for my Lada Riva. Yeah, so I really want to take out this old steering wheel. It doesn't look good, so I think this is a lot nicer option. So we're gonna install it. And these mirrors are small and completely broken. When you're driving, they always close. So we are gonna replace it with the new ones. That's the plan for today. First I'm gonna replace the mirrors, then I'm gonna replace the steering wheel. Let's give it a shot. Okay, first we need to remove these two bolts, and you have bolt here on the top, don't forget it, because you wouldn't be able to remove this plastic. So let's remove those three bolts, then you pop off this plastic cover and another Phillips screw is inside, you remove that, and then the whole assembly is coming out. And you need to roll your window down so you can have some space. Okay, now we need to unscrew these three bolts, and this you just unscrew by hand so that we can put everything in. It's really easy to do. Okay, now we are ready for installing it. Let's go. Okay guys, this was a really easy job. You can do it at home and they look much better than the old small ones. And now I can see when I'm driving in reverse, in almost everywhere where I park this car, I need to park in reverse. So I really hated those old mirrors. Now we have these awesome new ones and it's foldable. So our Lada is even smaller than before. They look awesome, so I'm really happy. Now let's remove the old steering wheel so that we can install the new one. For this, I really love to use impact gun. You can do it with just a wrench, but I like to do it because it's not gonna move a steering wheel that much. So you need to find a center where is everything straight. When you do that, I'm happy with this. You remove it. Okay. And you are just trying to brake. Finally. Well, you only just need a quick pulse and the steering wheel is... I'm sorry. It's been a long day. The steering wheel is finally out now, but that nut right here, it saved me, because that would come straight to my face. So when you're doing this job, please leave the nut on. Now let's get the adapter that's gonna go right here, and then we need to mount the new steering wheel. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we have adapter, but we need to remove this O-ring because our home button is bigger and it can fit inside. So we just need to remove this O-ring and then everything will come in place. We're just gonna use some screwdrivers and pry it out. There you go, that's it. And then we can fit inside. Okay, now we just need these top holes need to be level with these two holes, and that's the whole point. So now we need to find some good place and put this in. I really like this steering wheel. It's really comfort. I can't wait to go on a drive. And these mirrors are also super cool. I'm really happy that I did this. So when I drive, I have a little bit of more comfort. In the Lada, yeah, I know, comfort. But guys, subscribe to the channel because I am going back to Niva. I need to remove this engine out, the gearbox and the suspension. It's coming all out. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, hit that like button and share, guys. See you in the next video.